Welcome to the Schluter System's Tips and Tricks video series. Today we're going to demonstrate how to minimize buildup at inside corners in shower applications. This is particularly helpful when setting small tiles on the shower base or walls. We start by installing the Schluter KERDI KERECK preformed corners. The next step is to measure and cut sections of KERDI-BOARD waterproofing strips to seal the areas between corners. The key is to recognize that a 2-inch overlap can be achieved without continuing KERDI-BOARD all the way into the corner of the shower. KERDI-BOARD may be creased prior to installation to help maintain tight corners and make subsequent tile setting as easy as possible. Holding the banding back in this way will avoid unnecessary overlaps and minimize buildup of the membrane in these areas. I hope you find this tip helpful on your Schluter Shower System projects. Thanks for joining us today.